Welcome to the Blueprint Atlas.
To build a home that withstands a superstorm, you need tons of steel and concrete. But these tiny avian architects use only dry grass and a secret engineering technique. They create hanging fortresses suspended in mid-air, remaining stable and secure for decades.
Nature has absolutely no mercy. Violent winds, lashing rains, and gravity are constant enemies. Lethal forces combine to tear down everything. Every branch becomes a high-stakes battleground. Hanging a heavy structure on the tip of a thin branch is structural madness.
For humans, without steel nails, industrial glue, or heavy anchors, buildings collapse instantly.
But if the material is too soft, the structure tears open immediately, letting prey escape.
How do thousands of individual, fragile blades of grass resist the raging elements?
When Mother Nature unleashes her fury, the structural integrity of the nest faces a critical test.
If a single main loop slips, the entire nest will unravel into nothingness.
Below, hungry predators wait. A fallen nest means certain doom for the young chicks.
Gravity constantly pulls downward, magnifying the weight of the nest and its occupants. Water absorption increases weight, threatening to snap the delicate supporting twigs.
Continuous wind shear exerts lateral stress, testing the limits of organic material.
Faced with constant, destructive threats, survival demands an extraordinary, evolutionary solution.
The secret lies in a discipline humanity takes great pride in, not science.
The incredible weaver bird does not merely pile materials on top of each other. They weave, loop, and tie highly complex, interlocking knots with extreme precision.
Their weaving methods mimic the advanced knotting techniques used by master ocean sailors.
They begin by constructing a primary, ultra-strong foundation ring around a chosen twig. This primary ring acts as the structural anchor, bearing the entire weight. They loop individual grass blades back and forth thousands of times seamlessly.
The physics here is brilliant. When wind pulls, the tension actually tightens the knots.
External forces self-reinforce the structure, locking the fibers securely in place. Friction between dry grass strands distributes load evenly across the entire surface. This intelligent design transforms destructive environmental forces into structural reinforcement.
It is a masterclass in organic engineering, requiring zero artificial adhesives.
The robin selects grass with high tensile strength, ensuring long-term elasticity. As the grass dries, it shrinks slightly, making the knots even tighter.
This intelligent design transforms destructive environmental forces into structural reinforcement. Its aerodynamic, teardrop shape lets wind and rain slide off effortlessly.
Even as the grass ages and turns brown, the structural integrity remains flawless. Computational analysis reveals that these organic shapes minimize aerodynamic drag perfectly.
Every single strand plays a vital role in this interlocking defense web. These individual shelters are marvels of survival. But the story gets much bigger.
But nature's true architectural genius manifests in a spectacular,
giant cooperative scale. Welcome to the extraordinary, sprawling super-metropolis of the sociable weaver birds. Instead of living alone, hundreds of birds combine their efforts on one tree. They build a single, monumental communal fortress weighing up to several tons. This mega structure houses hundreds of family chambers, functioning like an apartment complex. These organic fortresses can endure and stay occupied for over a century. Generations of birds maintain, repair, and expand this monumental home constantly.
These massive nests feature a highly advanced, passive climate control system.
During scorching desert days, the thick thatch insulation keeps the chambers remarkably cool. During freezing desert nights, the structure retains heat, keeping the birds warm. This passive thermal regulation is achieved without using a single watt of electricity. In comparison, human-made concrete structures often crack and degrade within decades. Our high-tech buildings require massive energy grids and leave a heavy carbon footprint. Meanwhile, these grass fortresses are constructed with a zero carbon footprint. They stand proudly across generations, perfectly synchronized with the surrounding ecology. Collective intelligence turns individual weakness into an indestructible, living monument. Inside these secure walls, new generations thrive, protected from the harsh world. This is ultimate sustainable engineering, whispered directly from the wild. Perhaps it is time for humanity to reconsider what true modern architecture means. Can we learn to build with, rather than against, the natural forces of Earth? The blueprints for a sustainable future have been hanging in the trees all along. Join us on the Blueprint Atlas as we explore more incredible natural engineering. Subscribe now, like this video, and never miss another journey into nature's masterpieces.